Hello everybody, 8th standard, second unit, health and diseases. Today's before we learn about the health, disease and types of diseases. Now today we learn about the infectious diseases. The infectious diseases means the diseases which spread through contaminated air, water, food and vectors like insect, flies, mosquitoes, etc. are called infectious diseases. Now, tuberculosis, hepatitis, dysentery, cholera, typhoid, malaria, AIDS, dengue, swine flu, these are the infectious diseases. Now, we take some details of these diseases. First, tuberculosis. This is because of infection of Mycobacterium tuberculei. The mode of infection of that disease is spitting of patient through air and prolonged contact with and sharing of materials of patient like bed, utensils. Symptom of that disease is a chronic cough, blood spitting and difficult to breathing for a long period about 1 to 6 months. Fast decrease in body weight. Prevention and treatment. BCG vaccine. Make isolation of that patient with all its material, using material, and regular medication of DOT. Now, second disease, hepatitis, is caused by hepatitis virus of different types A, B, C, D and E. That disease is caused by contaminated water, sharing of infected needles as well as sharing of infected blood. Symptoms of that disease is yellow urine, general weakness and vomiting and grey stool. Doctor tells to drinking boiled water for prevention from that disease as well as proper cleaning of hands as always, anytime. Strictly avoid the oily and spicy foods. Next, dysentery. Because of bacteria, virus, Shigella bacilli, Entamoeba histolytica, that disease occurs. Mode of infection is contaminated food and water, and symptoms of that disease is watery stool, pain in abdomen, and fast decrease in water level of our health. Make a prevention. We drink a boiled water. In rainy season, make a proper storage of food. Always eat covered and fresh food. At the time of disease, use the ORS, oral rehydration salts. Next disease, cholera. Because of Vibrio cholerae bacterium, that disease is caused. Mode of infection of that disease is contaminated food and water. Symptom of that disease is vomiting, fever, diarrhea, cramps in legs. To make prevention from that disease, avoid open place food, drinking boiled water, and make vaccination against cholera. Typhoid, caused by Salmonella typhi, and mode of infection is contaminated food and water, and symptoms is headache, rash on abdomen, dysentery and fever up to 104 degree Fahrenheit. to make prevention, drink clean water, make proper vaccination, and make proper disposal of sewage.